We're done. Okay, can I see the look?
Yeah.
Whoa. I look hideous.
You do?
Of course I do. Rawr. Ah! Did I scare you? Yeah, 'cause you're a terrifying wolf. It's like that song. How does it go? I'm up to the grab. I don't know the second part. Well, I'm on a hunt. I'm after you. I smell like a sign. I don't know the next part. And I'm hungry like a wolf. Wow. All right, let's do this. Picture time.
Okay.
This is great.
I know.
Hey, DLR? What's wrong? All of a sudden, it says that, it's, grizzly glue. It stays on you. Huh? Baby Care Bear? Please don't tell me you put that makeup on that glue on your face. Wait, give me okay, wait. Dang it, now I lost my arms. Stupid done. Grizzly glue only gives you up in a few minutes, and caution of your skin. Baby Care Bear, I'm sorry. Why didn't you use regular glue?
I run out, so I used Bowser Jr.'s toolbox, which is Daddy.
Baby Care Bear,
are you insane? Does this come off? I don't think so. Why did you ever do this? I'm sorry. I got distracted off the grizzly bear picture. It's so cute of its little face and...
Baby Care Bear, seriously.
I'm sorry.
All right, let's try to get it off on her.
Okay.
Ow. Ow. Ow, 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 ow. This is never gonna work. Baby Care Bear, I'm gonna kill you for this.
Look, I said I was sorry.
Now I have a play tomorrow night. And I'm supposed to be beautiful. Well, you do not look beautiful. Excuse me? I'm sorry. I accidentally made that wrong. Ouch.
Well, who's gonna see you?
My old retarded teacher.
Oh, that sounds exciting.
It's not.
Why not?
Because she is mean, first of all, and second of all, what was the second of all? Oh, yeah, I'm a friggin' wolf!
I'm sorry!
Ugh, what are we gonna do?
We gotta call someone.
Okay, here's the plan.
What?
You guys discuss the plan. I'm gonna go try to get this makeup out of my face. Okay, here's the plan. I'm gonna call the doctor, and you call the glue company.
Okay. It's seriously all over her face.
Yep, grizzly glue. I couldn't get this thing off, and why is my tongue being all retarded? And my nose itches, and I can't scratch it. Who are you calling? The doctor. Shh. Who are you calling?
The glue company.
Okay. I'll tell DLR. Tell me about what? Oh, and by the way, did you ever get my surgery done while I'm at it?
Dude!
I gotta go. Here, I got it. Well, I'm definitely going to get surgery next week. No, me! Oh, you? Yes. No, they didn't want you in. Oh. This means I'm going to become a zombie and she's going to freak out, and that means I'm going to get an F for this today because all of a sudden I'm a freaking dang wolf. Oh.
Really? You will?
Wait, she does? Wait, what?
She knows, the person knows everything.
Well, ask the man.
It's a lady.
Ask her.
Sorry, I'm back. Where do you sell these glues? Uh-huh. 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 Okay. Bye.
Well?
Oh, they don't have it in stores. But they do have it in a factory.
Wait, what factory?
Bakersfield's.
Bakersfield's? Oh, don't worry. It's like 2 hours. I'll drive you there tomorrow.
Wait, you could drive?
Oh, I'm using a little toys cart to get us there. Do they know the donuts do that they're driving it?
No, they will allow that.
Oh, cool. Okay, why are we talking about this? But I can't go.
Oh, I have an idea. I could go with her to get the thing.
Okay, good. That'll absolutely give me some time. Don't worry, we will absolutely get it off.
And we'll absolutely get it.
Oh, thank you, guys. You better do it fast, because my show is gonna, be all perfect, and I don't want to have this for the whole concert. Well, don't worry. We're gonna get here as fast as we can while we're absolutely over there. Ah, thank you. You're welcome. You ready to do this?
Yeah!
Man. Hey, DLR, it's time! Oh, jeez. Practicing is tomorrow? Yes! I have to work all day and night. Alright, now go. Okay. Alright, you ready?
Yeah, let's do this.
Wonderful, colorful. It's music you bring. A world of color. You don't need love to absolutely have it all. You just need color. The wonderful world of color. Of romance. Yep. I'm in love. In love. Wow, good job, everybody. You may absolutely take a break. Good job, good job. Wait, who said that? Oh, that's me. All right, you may all take a break. And once when you're absolutely doing that, you'll be good. All right, cool. DLR. Yeah? Your face, it's still hideous. I know, but they're going to be back. Are you sure? Mm-hmm. All right, you better get them back. I will.
Maybe we should pull over so that you can finish your makeup.
Maybe you should talk less.
That's what my daddy always says. your phone.
Then find it.
Okay.
Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on.
Look under the seat. You're busy.
Babe.
Seriously? Watch the girls. Found your phone.
Then answer it.
Hi, Rainbow Bear Jr.'s cell phone.
Did you bring back the solvent? Please tell me you got back the solvent.
Who's calling?
It's DLR.
Oh, hey, Mommy.
Put on speaker.
KK. Mommy, you're on speaker and Rainbow Bear Jr. is still in the car.
Where are you guys? Relax. We're almost at the factory.
But what? You guys haven't made it? The show starts in like 2 hours.
We'll make it.
Oh, Punch Moon. Dude. Ow.
Shut up. Listen to me. If you two retards won't absolutely make it back, then Rainbow Jr., I'm going to punch you, and Baby Care Bear, you are going to be... I love you too, Mom. Thanks for the quilt. Quilt? Shut up! DLR, what the bull? What? The girls still haven't came back yet, and you still look hideous. Look, I'm sure that they got it. Well, you better get it soon. I will. I'm gonna go call them right now. Okay, you could go do that. Are you guys back yet? And where is the solvent?
We got it right here.
Put it on speaker.
KK. Mommy, you're on speaker and Rainbow Bear Jr. is still in the car.
What's up, girlfriend? The show is about to start in 90 seconds and I still look hideous. I mean, where are you? We had a bit of an emergency. What kind of an emergency?
Creamy and delicious one?
You stopped for ice cream?
We had to. There was a freezy thingy over there.
When will you be back? I don't know, in like 40 minutes?